tired of feeling left behind when it comes to investing? Do you want to take control of your financial future but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Most people have no clue how to invest, and it's holding them back from achieving their long-term goals. In this video, we'll dive into the world of investing and explore the secrets that the pros use to grow their wealth. From understanding different asset classes to developing a winning investment strategy, we'll cover it all. So, if you're ready to stop feeling overwhelmed and start building wealth, keep watching. Did you know that 80% of retail investors lose money in the stock market? The reason? A lack of knowledge and avoidable mistakes. But imagine being able to understand the basics of investing in just 1 week. That's my challenge, and you're invited to follow along. I'll learn, apply, and share everything I discover about investing so that you can do the same. Welcome to the channel. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to build long-term wealth, but it can seem intimidating when you're just starting out. Many people think you need to be an expert or have a huge capital to begin, but that's simply not true. My goal? To prove that with discipline and the right strategies, anyone can learn to invest smartly. Over the next 7 days, I will explore the fundamentals of investing, identify mistakes to avoid, and test accessible strategies. Let's be honest, investing often seems complicated. There's so much contradictory information out there that many people give up before they even start. Here are 3 of the biggest barriers preventing people from investing. Fear of losing money. Yes, investing comes with risks. But these risks can be managed with a solid strategy. Lack of knowledge. Many believe you need a finance degree to invest. However, understanding a few basic principles is enough to get started. The myth of, "I need to be rich to invest," false. With modern trading platforms and fractional investing, you can start with just a few dollars. If you've fallen into one of these traps, don't worry. My challenge is to demystify all of this in 1 week. Day 1. Understanding the basics. What is investing? At its core, it's making your money work for you to generate more money. There are several types of investments. Stocks. Buying a share of a company and hoping its value increases. Bonds. Lending money to a company or government in exchange for interest payments. Index funds and ETFs. Investing in multiple companies with a single transaction to reduce risk. Real estate. Buying property to rent out or sell at a higher price. Time plays a key role in investing. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest. Your gains start generating their own gains. Day 2. Managing risks. Risk is inevitable, but it can be controlled. Here's how. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Investing in different sectors and assets reduces potential losses. Gradual investing. Instead of investing all your money at once, use the dollar cost averaging (DCA) strategy to invest a fixed amount regularly. Market knowledge. Learning to analyze trends helps anticipate fluctuations. Day 3. Choosing the right strategy. There are several approaches. Passive investing. Buying ETFs that track the market, e.g., S&P 500, and holding them long-term. Active investing. Analyzing and selecting individual stocks based on their potential. Trading. Buying and selling assets quickly to profit from price changes, riskier. The most important thing is to choose a strategy that matches your risk tolerance and financial goals. Day 4. Taking action. Today, I'm going to open an investment account and buy my first stocks. Choosing a platform. There are online brokers like DeGiro, eToro, Interactive Brokers, or Binance, for crypto. Setting a budget. I'm starting with an accessible amount, e.g., $100. Selecting an asset. An ETF tracking the S&P 500 is a great starting point for beginners. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of buying my first stock. Day 5. Analyzing the market. Now that I've invested, it's essential to understand how to evaluate a stock or asset. Fundamental analysis. Looking at a company's financials, revenue, profits, debt. Technical analysis. Studying charts to identify trends. Economic factors. Inflation, interest rates, and economic crises affect the markets. Day 6. Avoiding common mistakes. Many beginners make these mistakes. Investing impulsively. You need a strategy. Not diversifying. Putting everything into one stock is risky. Selling too quickly or too late. Patience is key to success. Day 7. Recap and long-term strategy. After 1 week, here's what I've learned. Investing is not that complicated, but it requires discipline. Long-term investing is safer than short-term trading. Starting small and consistently is the best approach. If you want to build wealth, investing is an essential tool. You just need to understand the basics, manage risks, and stay consistent. What do you think about this challenge? Are you going to start investing? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to avoid investment pitfalls, watch my next video on the mistakes to avoid.